Just shoot, man. Carry on. Behind you, boys, behind you. What's line? Right on. Nice, don't exact too much. Back left. Middle. Back right, again, back right. Push over that, quick. Shot. Nice, well done. Nice. That, go then. He's all right foot, all right foot. Good, back. Which one? Hey! Come back. Quick shoot! Oh, shut up.
Turkey game, isn't it?
I'm not gonna come here. Go to university. Stop. Restart. Left wing. Time for 1-0. Unlucky. I deal with this. Don't let this go. Back right. Nice. Lower. Now then shoot. Whoa! Whoa! Play it again. unlucky.
Yeah.
Shot.
Middle.
What's the part? Come on. Win that.
Yeah.
Relax the 1-2. Nice. Independent. Switch. Nice.
If you want, keep it there as well. Malcolm, boys, make it easy for him if you want. I'll finish it off. Come again. There you go. Oh.
Left wing. Nice. You're cutting.
Man. Keep it there, man. Boys, hold it for you. Hold. Just a little bit, bro. What's up now? Man behind. Put it behind you. Oh, Aaron, that's yours. Now follow the play back, boys. Boys, you know who the danger man is. Just mark him out. And we got out on the right. I say one of you. Talk to each other. Who's going? Was it this one? Could be there. Could it pull it? Man on. If you want. It's still facing. Finish. That's what we need. Well done. 6-2. Shot. Man on, the hand behind you. Nice. Start again. Oh, well done, good recovery. Well done. Aaron's there. Got line out to the side. like to move. Mark up. Mark up. Play run.
Middle. Start again.
Okay, well done. Not facing.
One shoulder.
Tell them when you are, boys. Make it easy for them, boys. Get in top of space. That's it. Alright, man on you. Let's recover. Keep going. Let's go again. Alright, foul. No shot. No shot, boys. Man on. Nice, still on it. Man on.
Keeper.
Alright, let's put it back. Nice. Finish. Hey! Come on, 1-0. Good goal. Mark up. Pull back. It's only one, boys. It's easy to get back in there. Let's keep going. No shot. Please, boys. Come on, boys. Too many shots.
Keep going, no stop.
That's it, 2-0. Well done, just crowd in first. Man on. Well done, pass. Man on. He's coming back. Oh, lucky. I pull back there. Help him, boys, it's 2-on-1. Well done, Aaron. Yeah, you better help behind you. You better help behind you, Vinny. Well done. Hey, watch out. Pull back, boys. Well done. Well done, Kenneth. Well done. I'm not doing Mark up. Boys, please, move. And let's keep off. Good one. Right, turn back to him. Stop.
come back.
Man on. Keep it up. Hey! I need out to leave your goal, the second one.
Even.
No.
Okay.
Go.
1-0.
Finish.
0-0.
Wait, let me sit for a minute. Everyone's tired.
I'm not.
Can you play 5 minutes?
That's it, no time.
I can't do that.
Oh, wow! Hey, that was a goal, bro.
1-0.
I thought I had that covered as well.
I want to go.
No.
Left back. Oh! Aye, 1-0, Sauce. Okay. No way, he's good. Hold on, what are you man doing? You must have to take my head off.
No. No, come back to the come back to the I'm still chasing. Come on.
I'm bored, please. All the way back. Alright, 1-0.
Up one.
1-0 to us. Big guy.
Oh, no way. Oh.
No.
Fucking hell, boy. It's fucking Kimball football like.
Oh. Big guy connect there.
Yo, yeah.
Well done, keeper.
Hey, whoa.
No, that's on the line. Just say whoa.
He touched it in the box.
Slide out now.
He touched it in the
What
box.
about your guy was still out like 2 minutes ago? You allowed it.
Keep it there again.
Shit.
Nice. Go. Don't let him shoot. Nice. Man on. Don't let him shoot.
Great football, man.
No. Keep it up. What's the score? Oh, we're down 1.
1-0.
No.
You shoot. You're right. I'm up. I'm on back. Come on, good.
Yeah. Purpose. Come in.